wearing goggles. Dead man walking! Dude, he just got me right. Full burst with that big gun. Right in the face, man. Shocked my head, dude. It hit so hard. I'm out. That's like the second time in a month, ain't it?
I'm gonna be a fucking Hindu.
Nah, I can't see that.
Well, it hasn't swelled up yet. I'm pale and white, bro. It swelled up and red now.
What? I'm sorry.
No.
Actually, it's part of the game. Yeah, well.
You around here.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go reload. Yeah, I'm out. I'm dead. Yeah, I was shot. I'm dead. Ah, fuck! Ah! 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 That hurt. Damn, that hurt.